Okay, today I'm going to show you how to apply your Jamberry wrap. This is what a sheet looks like. Manicure, manicure, pedicure, pedicure, extra accent nails. So the first thing you want to do is size up your wraps. You want to fit them to your finger so they're not touching the skin and they're not too big. So for example, this wrap would obviously be too big for that finger. It would touch the skin. It would be too big for that finger. It would fit that finger. Today I'm going to do my pinky. I'm sorry, my ring finger with the pinky size. First thing you do cut out the wrap you're going to use. You always want to clean your nails first with the rubbing alcohol. Let them dry. I'm going to cut my wrap in half. One for each ring finger. Take my orange stick, slide it between the wrap and the plastic backing, peel off the backing, and I'm going to heat it on my mini heater for a few seconds. Got flexible. I take my wrap, I put it on my finger. Lots of pressure. When it's cooled completely, file straight down. Pull off the end. Heat it again. And you're done. That's how you apply your Jamberry wraps.